Hi, welcome to Start BSS Tutorials. In the previous tutorial, we saw how to create a new customer. In this tutorial, we'll see how to work with customer-related functions. With your customer now created, Start BSS provides you with different system functions to help easily maintain your relationship and track all activities related to the customer. To see customer details and related functions, simply search for the customer by name, tag, telephone, or contact, or look him up from the list. Click on the customer to see customer's details. Let's look at each section. The General section contains customer details, addresses, your point of contact on the customer's side, and any notes or tags related to the customer. All these subsections can be edited and information added to them using the Edit, Pencil, or Add icons. Let's take a close look at the Contact menu. This menu provides display and edit functions as well as the very important Allow Self-Care option. Assigning self-care to a contact grants him or her access to the customer's side of the system. He will not just be a point of contact anymore, but will now be able to deal with and edit customer-side tickets and issues as well. In the self-care dialog, it's important to fill in the last name, email address, and assign proper roles. The email address is where the contact's login details will be sent. Once you save this dialog, the customer contact is then able to access his self-care. You can disable access to self-care anytime using this button. The Activities section contains a list of all activities related to the customer. Creating a new activity is simple. Clicking the Add Activity button will open a dialog form. Select an activity type depending on the desired action. Fill in the header and the description. Try to be as specific as possible when describing the activity. This will help other users understand the project details and its outcomes. Save the activity. You can now see your new activity in the activity history. Within the customer products, it's possible to activate tariffs tailored to a specific customer. For instance, if you need to charge a periodic fee to a customer, you will assign him a tariff and the system will automatically generate the periodic fee and add the billing item into a periodic invoice. You can also create and manage customer offers and orders here. Or directly add a one-time charge to the customer. The one-time charge will immediately be assigned to the customer's opened invoice. This option is useful when you don't want to give a particular user access to billing but need him to be able to assign a fee to a customer. Customer inventory is used for management of customer items. It could be items you sold or delivered to the customer, or items which the customer already has and you are just responsible for their maintenance. For example, if you are responsible for maintenance of a customer's buildings, cars, servers, etc., then you will create all these items here with all the necessary information that you'll need for your maintenance work. For more about customer inventory features, go to the customer inventory video tutorial. Next is the tasks section. Here, you can manage active tasks and service reports related to a customer. There's also the billing section where you can create a new invoice and see the customer's existing invoices and payments. In the communication section, you can find all system notifications sent to the customer. The attachments section provides you a place to upload files and supporting documents related to the customer. Finally, it's still possible to quickly create new offers, new activities, new tasks, new tickets, invoices, and add new payments from each section without necessarily exceeding your current section. For example, While working with activities, you might realize that there is a new task you need to create urgently. In this case, simply go to the Create Task button. This will open the Create Task dialog form, and you'll go ahead and create your task normally and save it. Saving will not exit activities, and you'll still be able to continue from where you were interrupted. In the next tutorial, we'll take a deeper look at customer inventory.